Answer the following questions. A circle of radius 120 meter is divided into 8 equal sectors. Find the length of the arc of each of the sector. Length of the arc L find out பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Solution given. என்னென்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Radius R that is 120 meter. N is equal to 8. N அப்படின்னா number of sectors. எத்தனை equal sector separate பண்ணிருக்காங்க 8. So R 120, N 8. Length of the arc of each of the sector is equal to 1 by N into 2 by R units. Normally circle oda circumference formula வந்து 2 by R. இது number of sectors divide பண்ணிருக்கிறதுனால 1 by N னு அப்ளை பண்ணுவோம். 1 by N into 2 by R units is equal to 1 by 8. எத்தனை equal part? 8 equal part. So 1 by 8 into 2 into 3.14. 3.14 ஏன் அப்ளை பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா இது 7 ஓட மல்டிபிள் இல்லை, அதனால 3.14 யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். into 120. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கேன்சல் பண்ணுவோம். 18 is 8, 15 8 are 120. ஸோ 2 into 3.14 into 15. 15 2s are 30. 30 into 3.14 is equal to 3 4s are 12, remaining 1. 3 1 3 4, 3 3s are 9, 0. How many decimal places? 1 2. So total 2 decimal place move பண்ணோம். So 94.2 unit meter. So 94.2 meter square. Of the arc of each of the sector is 94.2 meter square. A circle of radius 70 centimeter is divided into 5 equal sectors. Find the area of the each of the sector. Given என்னென்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Radius is given, that is 70, and number of sector is given, that is 5. So radius 70 and number of sectors 5. Area of each of the sector, what is the formula? 1 by N into by R square unit. So 1 by 5, number of sector is 5, into value of by is 22 by 7, into value of R is 70. R square means we will write the R value 2 times. So 70 into 70. 1 7 is 7, 10 7s are 70. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 20. So the remaining values are 22 into 2 into 70. 22 into 2, 44 into 70. 0, 3080 centimeter square. Therefore area of each of the sector is 3080 centimeter square. Find the area of a sector whose length of the arc is 50 millimeter and radius is 14 millimeter. Area of the sector find பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. length of the arc L கொடுத்தாச்சு, radius கொடுத்தாச்சு. அப்போ நம்ம சிம்பிளான ஃபார்முலாவை டைரெக்டாக ரைட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Solution: length of the arc of the sector L is equal to 50 millimeter. Radius R is equal to 14 millimeter. Area of the sector என்ன ஃபார்முலா? L R by 2 square units is equal to value of L 50, value of R 14. So 50 into 14 divided by 2 millimeter square. 1 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14. So remaining value 50 into 7 is equal to 350 millimeter square. Therefore area of the sector A is equal to 350 millimeter square.